So today's home workout is a 7-minute indoor walking workout and then a 4-minute arm toning workout. And as your qualified online trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, I've put together a really safe, effective, fun workout. Now, how it's going to work today is we're going to do 7 minutes of getting your step count up, and we're going to add a little bit of fun. And you saw this here first. So how it's going to work is you need to simply just get 4 bits of paper. And on those 4 bits of paper, we're just going to write 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the idea is when we're doing the 7-minute element of the step count, you're going to have these pieces of paper scattered around your room. And if I shout out number 4, whatever that move is, we're going to just do it and travel to where card 4 is, or wherever card 3 is, whatever I give you the cue to do. So it's just going to make it a little bit more fun. But also what's really good, it just keeps us really alert. So all you need to do is make sure you've got your bits of card, go grab some water, and then you and I are going to have such a fun workout today. So if you need to, simply hit the pause button, and I'm just waiting for you right here, so hurry up. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, you have got your bits of paper spread around the room, and actually the further in the room, the better. I'm in such a tiny space, so I'm a little bit limited, and they can be in any order. What we're going to do, we're going to start off, move 1 is kind of going to be part of a warm-up, and we'll always stay in the centre, and then we'll get a call to action to go to one of the cards. So let's start now with a basic march for me. So march on the spot. Now, it's always important we exercise with good form. So what I want you to do is focus on keeping your chest lifted for me. Keep those abdominals pulled in tight. Land nice and softly. All right, that's good. So this is the first move. We're doing this for 60 seconds. What I want you to do now is walk that to wherever you've got card 3. Take it to card 3, and now bring it back to the centre. Then take it to wherever you've got card 1. I'm trying to think where mine is. There's mine. And just keep that marching. Keep it going. Bring it back to the centre. Now you take it to wherever you have got card 4. So the idea is really travel that around. And now bring it back into the centre. We're going to be marching now for another 10 seconds. Then we're going to change that move. All right, that's good. Give me 3. Go 2 and 1. Now this time we're taking it to a hamstring curl. So this time slight bend and just pull those arms in. We're holding this in the center, and now I want you to travel that over to wherever you've got card 3. And as said, the more you can spread these cards out around the room, the better. And now take it back to the center for me. All right, that's good. If you want to make this one a little bit harder, take that to a slightly deeper bend. Now travel that over to card 4. So my card 4 is just here, right next to 3 because it's so tiny in here. All right, that's good. Bring it back to the center for me. Doing really well. So we're basically just doing 7 minutes of stepping. I want to make it fun for you, and I want to make it fly by. All right, so we're going to get ready for move number 3. So we're going to hold that in the center. This time now, take it to a marching knee lift for me. So with this one, keep that upper body nice and straight as you do it. Now travel that to card number 2. So there's my card number 2, and now travel it back to the center. That's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. Now I want you to travel that to card 1. So wherever card 1 is, travel that to that part of the room. Bring it back to the center for me, and now take it to card 3. So that's my 3 is there. Still taking that knee lift, bring it back to the center. Hold it here in the center. That's good. All right, doing really well. And we're going to literally fly through this workout. So you ready for move number 4? This one now, we're just going to do a side step. Simple as that. So you can see I've got a slight bend in the knees and just going from one side to the other. So we're going to really travel around the room in this one. Let's go to card 3. travel that to card 3. Now take it all the way to card 4. And then travel that across to card 2. Step card 2, now travel it back to the center and then take it to card 1. All right, and bring it back to the center. Now I'm gonna stay in the center, but I'm gonna give you, shout out a number. Take it to card 4 for me. So you're traveling it like this. Now take it to card 2 and take it to card 3. So you're having to move faster. All right, so what we're gonna do, next exercise, this time now, we're gonna take it to a kick and a walk. Walk, kick, kick that out, kick, kick. That's good, well done. So now, what I want you to do, you're in the center. Now take it to card number 4 for me. So keep that upper body nice and straight. Doing really well, really well. And now bring it back to the center. Then you take it to card number 2 for me. And it could be that you want to take it to a backward motion or just turn around and walk frontwards. That's good. Bring it back to the center. Doing really well. That's good. Keeping that going. And then we've got 10 more seconds on this one. Bring it to card 3 for me. And now travel that back to the center. We're going to repeat that hamstring curl, just because this one is such a good exercise here for the hamstrings and the quads. So it stretches through the quads and activates your hamstrings. And let's just pull through with those arms. Keep those abs in tight, and remember, once we've done our 7-minute step, we're going to work those arms. Now travel that to card number 3 for me. That's good. Bring it back to the center. Then take it to card number 2. So travel that around the room. Doing really well. Really well. Back to the center. And now take it to card 4 on there. That's good. So see, have fun. We can make exercise. And as your online trainer, training with you in your front room, getting you healthy and fit for free, I'm always going to find you and create you the best workouts. Right, next one, we're going to do a star walk. So we're just going to walk like this. All right, tap that foot out, lift that arm over. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So travel that now to card number 3. Then I want you now to take it all the way to wherever you have got card number 1. So even though this is low impact, bring it back to the center, it's actually high intensity, and you should find now you're feeling a little out of breath because we're working major muscle groups. Take that to card 4 for me. Reach that over, and exercise is about you investing in your future health. Bring it back to the center for me, keeping that going, doing really well, really well. And we've nearly finished doing the walking. That's good. Nice, big, powerful walk. And now just circle through those arms. Well done. Deep breath in, deep breath out, and just shake it out for me. Really good. So what you can do now, grab some water, because we're going to move on to now the toning part. I'm going to be working on your arms. So we're now going to do a 4-minute arm toning session. Okay, so now this part of the workout is all about your arms. So let me just quickly, you carry on marching on the spot. Let me just show you the 4 moves we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a marching pec deck. All right, then we're going to do circles, simple as that. Move 3 is that's where we're just going to hold the legs still, but we're just going to do these arm tap ups, and then we're going to do bow and arrow arms. Simple as that. So let's get ready. Each move simply for 1 minute, and then we're going to go straight into the next one. Okay, so let's come into position. Arms are up, elbows in line with the shoulders for me. Your palms are facing forward. Let's do it. So squeeze that in, and now let's march. So this one here. So very light little march with the feet. We're just drawing the arms in and back. Now what is important whilst we're doing this now, if you want to, you can just do it. So it's a really, really light little tap, or if you prefer to, you can just do this standing. You don't have to move the feet. But what I want you to do is make sure you are keeping those elbows are staying in line with your shoulders. Squeeze it in and open it out. Squeeze it in and out. Squeeze it in and out. And as said, you can hold it still, or if you want to, you can keep moving those feet. Well done. Keep those arms up. Palms are facing in. Just imagine you're squeezing something. Open it up. Squeeze it out. That's good. We've got a few more seconds on this one. Let's just keep that going. Then we're going to take it straight to those arm circles. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So now just extend those arms out and circle it and circle it. That's it. What I'm going to do after halfway, I'm going to let you know, and then we'll circle it back in the opposite direction. Now you might just want to do a little side tap. Just go from one side to the other. Make sure that you're keeping those elbows, those fingertips in line with your shoulders. That's it. Well done. That's good. And now circle it around the opposite directions. Now take it back the other way. So this will start to feel challenging now, but remember, it's the challenge that changes us, and you've only got 20 seconds left. So stay with me, keep going. Then we're going to change that move. So circle that round. Upper body stays nice and lifted. Tummy stays tight. Doing really well. You've got less than 10 seconds, so circle that round, or you can just stay stationary. Just do what feels best for you. Now, take those arms behind, come into a split stance and just lift. So lifting that up. Now this is really amazing at working through those triceps. Make sure that you are leaning slightly in front, tummy is tight. After halfway, we're just going to change the leading leg. So you can see here, palms are facing up. All I'm doing is just lifting, and I'm really, on this one, you can really see it really works, really works into the tricep. Just change legs for me now and lift, squeeze it up nice and high. Keep focused, think about what you're doing. And the great thing is, when we've got strong arms, you know, it helps us with just functional day-to-day chores through life. It's all about keeping your body nice and strong and fit and healthy. All right, that's good. Give me another 10 seconds. Doing really well. How much are they feeling challenging? Such a simple move, but it's so effective. All right, let's get ready now. Come up, arms here. Imagine you've got a bow and arrow. Take it out. So that's all we're doing here. Extend and back. That's it. So take it out and back. All right, that's good. And again, take it to a little toe tap to the side if you want to keep moving, or keep it still. That's it. Doing really well. Really good. Let's keep going. So we've really worked those arms. You've got another 30 seconds. So this workout, you could do this one every single day. So in that 7-minute element, you're taking, I think you walk about 1,000 steps, and we do 4-minute arm toning. And if you wanted to, you could rewind and do this workout again. So it means you've done 14-minute steps and 8-minute arms. All right, that's good. Keep that going for me. Give me another 10 seconds. Doing really well. And I'm going to count you down. Last little bit. Let's go 3. Take it 2. And 1. All right, just roll out those arms for me. I want you just to do a little toe tap in front. Let's get that heart rate down, and I really want to now just mobilize, just loosen up those arms. Just shake them out. While you're doing that, as your trainer, there is your high five. We always do a high five. And don't forget, I've got all my blogs, I've got all my online programs, all my online ebooks. I've got literally everything. Come and find me on Instagram, Facebook. Come and join our community. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments as well. I love hearing your feedback because as your online trainer, I want to make sure I'm giving you the workouts that you want. And then also at the end of the video, I'm going to leave you my cool down stretch. So remember, it's all about you. This isn't about anyone else. Don't compare your body to anyone else. Just focus on you. And remember, your body is amazing. And let's think of the bigger picture. Let's think about actually what's happening inside our heart health, our mental health. All right. So I will see you later back on my channel for another workout. And here we are. Here's just one more. Big high five and come and stretch with me now.